What's up, everybody? I hope you're having a good day, a good night, or wherever you are. I'm having a great one because all I know is I've gotten through 20 days of Ceda. 2-0. Yes. So for tonight's Ceda, I just want to ask a question. Okay, just the question of the day. Why is the FaceTime camera so hateful? I don't understand it. You spend like $5 million on a computer and then the camera looks like total you know what. Okay? It looks like somebody just covered my camera with some saran wrap or something. Maybe they thought I was trying to get soft focus on my face. Anyway, because it's so hateful, I'm going to let you see it once because mine is really bad. I never use it. I actually keep a piece of tape on it because I never want it to even accidentally come on. Okay? So this is what this hateful, nasty camera looks like. You got 5 seconds and then we're done. Here we go. Time's up. That's all you get. I never want to see that again. I'm putting my tape back on that thing. Okay, tape is back on. I'm going to show you how to turn the FaceTime camera off. You ready? Okay, let's go. Okay, first what we want to do is go to demo mode. That's Shift-Command-D. Well, actually, we don't want to go. I want to go. So I'm going to demo mode. And then I'm going to go up into, we're going to go to Ecamm preferences mode. Yay. It's a good place to be. All right, and you're not going to go to general, not account, not stream, but video. Okay, so we're going to go to video, and then we're going to come down here to disable built-in doggone camera. Okay, that's what I call it. So we're going to click that. Boom. Come out of there. Let me close this window. Let me come out of demo mode. Shift-Command-D. I'm back. Yes. No more FaceTime camera. No more. So that's all you got to do. You want to turn that thing off, just go in your preferences, go to video, click disable FaceTime camera. You're done. If you want it back on again, you just go back and turn it back on. That's all. I'm not turning mine on ever. Okay? That's on you. All right, so with that, I am done with day 20 of Ceda. So I will see you next time. Have a good one. Why am I saying I'm done? See ya. Bye.